Hello, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to perform for you an Leech effect, which is called Five Aces, and this is a really fabulous opening effect. Okay, so here I have the Joker. Joker's wild, and I have. Let's see if there's a hand here. There's if that would be a 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace. Oh, look, I got a royal flush. That's really amazing. But if I snap my fingers, a little bit of magic, have them wave their hands, say abracadabra, look, they can actually change that into five aces, which in some games actually wins. So that's a really cool effect. It's called Five Aces. It's an old effect. It's from Leech, but that's an example of a really great card opener that you can go into a four ace effect or anything like that. So if you like, please like the video. Please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more. Join the Master Magic University. We have the Master Magic Mentors Program for only $5.99 a month. Get access to hundreds of magic video tutorials now. Also join the Master Magic University newsletter where I send you free magic video tutorials and my Master Magic course where there's packed with a ton of value in there. So click on the link and join today, and thank you very much. Keep it surreal.